Hello, today I'm going to preview this RYOBI battery operated lawnmower here. You can see down here this falling apart. The blade has got this heavy plastic stuff on it here, and I guess that's going to act like a shear pin. Now this is supposed to act as your mulching to well, it's called a mulch plug. So you can either run it with that or just run it with the grass catcher. And one thing I don't like about it so far is it doesn't have a side discharge on it, so you have to either use this mulch plug or use the grass catcher, one or the other. That's one thing bad about it to me. You get these T-bars on the side here that you pull out and twist like that halfway, and that lifts up. Then when you get it up in the position you want it, you release your T-bars back, and that locks it into place. Now you need to pull your handle back up and take these little plastic things here and lock them into place on both sides, just like that. Now, one very important thing is you gotta put this battery in. And this says it's a 5AH, I guess that's amp hours, 40 volt lithium battery here. So in order to do that, you pick this up just like this, put it in the slot, slide it right straight down. Oh, and I showed some other time about this key here. You got this little key you can take out if you want to, and put it in there like that. And now we're ready to cut. I guess for the time being, I'm gonna put this mulch plug back in here. I don't like this. Like I said, I really wish it had a side discharge on it, but it don't. So okay, now it says push this button here and pull back on this, and that starts right up. There we go. Catcher on it and see how that does with it. So that's all there is to that. Just putting in those two little notches. Let me set this up over here. Now don't forget your push your button and pull it back. most part. Okay, lift it up. You can see that thing is about full. Golly, I never thought it would get that much off of it. There you see. That works pretty good. It's just real light. It's not anything like the gas powered. You can really go around the trees like this. So far we've been going for about 30 minutes. I don't think it's slowed down any. Which it shouldn't with a lithium battery in it. The grass catcher is about full. I see that's the only thing I don't like about grass catchers. They fill up too quick. And although it's nice not to have your clippings on the ground, it's just hard to deal with them. Okay, we've been going for about 40 minutes. That's how much grass trimmings I've got so far. I still wish it had a side chute, but it don't. So, but anyway, I've got just a little bit more to cut. And that'll be about all I cut with this, and I'll get on my riding lawnmower and get these big sections here and sections in the front. So, I don't know. Or keep the camera going until I get this little section down the side here. And if it's still running in. Hey, while I've got a minute here, I just wanted to tell you, thanks a lot for watching my video, and please watch more of my videos. Hope you'll come back and see me real soon. And thanks a lot for all you people that's joined my channel. And if you can, give me a thumbs up and join my channel. I sure appreciate it. It sure does help out. And so now, back to the mowing, and y'all come back and see me real soon now. Goodbye. Y'all have, might be pretty good. Of course, now I've got another battery. So I suggest, I don't care what you get, if it runs off a battery, you need at least two. You need at least two. So, because if you don't, you're going to get caught without one time when you need it. I run it almost 50 minutes solid, and that was catching the grass and emptying the grass catcher and all that. Plug it up and try to plug it up. And it says it had one full bar left and part of another one. So that's not too bad. If you can hold up to run it over 50 minutes, you're doing good, because I tell you what, it strains me. So now I'll get on my riding lawnmower and finish up the job here.